Combat Zone Drum Bugle Corps will perform the Flag of Stars, including Air Force Blue, interwoven with My Country 'Tis of Thee.
I came straight down from Denver. I spent the night up in Denver last night.
Every cadet's fundamental knowledge, this poem symbolizes the cadet's aspirations for flight.
You think that one's going to fly by?
Yeah, it's lining up right now.
See, Brian, that one's going to see, wait a minute. Those things are fast.
Well, they kind of fly slow for this. If they fly at full speed, they tend to break windows.
Oh, yeah.
Come over? I got him. You found him?
Somebody said last year they knew. What's the ones in the front? Are they a certain instrument?
That looks like a cadet band. Looks like Academy band. You're just going to stand there for us. Yeah. Each of the squadron commanders will have a saber. Each of the
Ladies and gentlemen, now approaching the parade field from the south is a 3-ship of F-16s from the 120th Fighter Squadron, Buckley Air National Guard Base, Colorado.
Oh, there. Where?
They're going to be moving.
Miss Albert 2 F-117 Stealth Fighters. Stealth is a technology that minimizes aircraft visibility and radar through a very sophisticated, unique design. Our radar energy-absorbing system helps the F-117 successfully penetrate an extremely defensive enemy defense systems, deliver weapons on time, on target, return without a stray. And now, ladies and gentlemen, here it comes.
You want to take a peek?
A little more dramatic.
These guys.
This is KC-135 tanker.
Whiteman Air Force Base, Missouri.
Looks like a spaceship. That's the one that we kept trying to do.
That is awesome.
Looks like a bat. This one.